This is the brief on exploring Portugal's Douro Valley. Now, this stunning region isn't just about those relaxing river cruises you always hear about. It's a cultural powerhouse that is honestly best explored by car, offering up breathtaking scenery, ancient history, and some absolutely world-class wine. First, you're going to want to start your road trip at the gateway city of Lemego. You absolutely have to check out the sanctuary of Nossa Senhora das Remedias. Getting up there means climbing this monumental 600-step staircase that's decorated with beautiful traditional Portuguese tiles. It's kind of like the ultimate Stairmaster workout, but wrapped inside a gorgeous open-air art museum. Second, go hit the N222, which is easily one of Portugal's most scenic drives. It hugs the Douro River and takes you right into the actual birthplace of port wine. Now, why on earth would anyone dump brandy into perfectly good wine? Well, centuries ago, monks, and later the English, added brandy to stop the fermentation process, which preserved the wine for really long boat trips. That happy little accident created the sweet port we all know today. Finally, we're going to leave the vineyards behind to uncover this massive prehistoric surprise hidden in the Douro Valley. You might assume the Douro is just a playground for wine-loving adults, right? But kids and archaeology fans will absolutely geek out over this open-air museum. It features 5,000 rock carvings of horses and deer, with the oldest ones dating back a staggering 23,000 years. So, from 600-step sanctuaries to legendary sweet wines and 23,000-year-old rock art, the Douro Valley is for sure an unforgettable Portuguese road trip. Grab your keys, skip the tourist traps, and go get lost in the Douro.